I'm so proud. Like, I love BTS, but like each member individually, they all make me proud. They all have their own special thing, and I love them. Like, I'm gonna get so emo. Oh my god. All right, listen. Hey y'all, so Jhope dropped his Airplane music video, and I'm here to react to it. Hope World is amazing. Like, I love it. Like, honestly, my favorite right now. I can't tell you. It's so good. Like, I've been listening to it nonstop. But anyways, we gonna watch this Airplane music video, and I'm ready. Yeah. Damn, this is such a pretty shot. I love. Oh my god. Airplane. Yeah, oh yeah, bitch. I love, like, just him, enjoying him, like. Airplane. Damn, this is literally Hoseok. Like, I'm not over. I'm so, like, this is amazing. That, okay, like, as a, like, cinematography wise, like, that shit is so, like, it's so good. Like, I want to make music videos like this, like, one day, bitch. If I could. Listen, Jhope, I got you for free. Like, I will, like. Wow, boyfriend. By the way, wow, imagine, wow. Just imagine Hoseok driving, and you're just, like, bumping his, and y'all just, like, you did. Yep, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Alright, listen. Alright, bitch. Why are you coming at me? The lyrics are so good. It should be okay. Wow, blue sky. Damn, some people talk shit about me. Listen, where they at? Like, square up. Like, who can talk back? Like, I'm so proud. Like, I love BTS, but like each member individually, they all make me proud. They all have their own special thing, and I love them. Like, I'm gonna get so emo. That's right. That's right, B. I love that part. I love that part. I love, like, this Hope World is so good. Like, it all it fits so well. I can talk about this for days. Those shots are so good. Wow, I wish I was the floor. Wow. Wow. I don't. Airplane. Yes. I fucking love Hoseok. Like, I love Airplane. Listen, all his songs are so good, but I just don't know what my favorite one is yet. Like, I just can't, because like Daydream is so good, but Airplane, and then like obviously his more lit ones like and then Bassline. Anyways, I could talk about his mixtape, HIGHKEY, whatever, his world, our world, we in Hope world. I just, listen, it's so good. Like, sign me up. Like, where can I, like, I really like video production stuff. Like, I'm just gonna talk about myself, but like the cinematography and the shots go so well together. And then Jhope, like, he's beautiful, perfect, like, and it's just, such a good job, so good. Like, I aspire to do that, to work with artists and do that. Like, that is so cool. Like, making Airplane come true, like, to life, so good. Like, good job. It's so good. I love Jhope. Like, his songs are so good. Like, I'm so happy. Like, honestly, like, you did good, man. Like, you doing good. Like, I know this guy, he got me messed up. Like, when I saw him, listen, I'm gonna bring it up every single time. When I saw this man in person, I made eye contact with him and he looked so scared because, and I immediately turned the other way because I was like, I'm sorry that, it's just that he looks so soft when I saw him, he switches up so fast. He's like soft, and obviously he was out, so like he wasn't talking, like, but then like when he shows himself to us, like we see his like hype, happy side, all that, like it's so nice to see. I hope he's doing good. I hope everybody in BTS doing, I know they doing good. Fighting, and I just wanted to do that because fighting, bitch, we fight. Anyways, I'm ugly, but I love BTS and I love Hope World and Jhope. Hoseok, you did that. I'm proud of you. I want to see his music video again. Like, it's just pleasing to watch. It's like aesthetically pleasing, and then Jhope just looks fine as heck as usual, and is, oh, so, yeah. If you haven't seen HIGHKEY, I mean, not that if you haven't seen it, but like if you haven't heard HIGHKEY, if you haven't heard Hope World, or you haven't seen Daydream, like the music video, like what is you doing? You gotta watch it. Like, come on. Like, he did such a good job. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm sorry I ramble a lot, but listen, motherfucking Jhope out here really bringing us happy. Like, he is so, wow. On his outro, I try to say outro though, but outro, I don't know why I can't even, like, I just couldn't say outro. His outro though, blue side slash blue, like not slash, it's called blue side, but like, you know how it's like Airplane, blue skies, and it's like blue side, it just flows. It's so good. Like, anyways, it's just, he deserves all the hype. He deserves everything, and I'm here to give him everything. Like, I know we're all here just like, hey, like, but anyways, peace. I'm sorry I'm extra, but